Okay guys, moving right along. So in this video, I just want to show you how I go about creating a new gig. Basically, we're going to be doing the first half, which is how to find your competition, how to find the best-selling gigs in that category or subcategory, and then how to begin crafting your own gig from the best-selling gigs. All right, so let's say that you wanted to offer book cover services. This guy looks really cool. He's got a ton of 5-star reviews there. So does this person. So we're going to use him too. And them too. And sure, why not them too? So we have 4 really great selling gigs here. In fact, maybe you don't even want to use the first one. These guys have over 1,000 reviews each. But you can see this is an excellent Fiverr cover because it's eye-catching. It stands out when you see all these other gig offerings. Like, he definitely stands out there. So does that one and this one. So you can kind of see like why these people are bestsellers, right? They know how to capture attention. So does this person here through the noise of the Fiverr page here, results page. So that's just another thing to keep in mind. So as we are success hacking, take notice of what their cover image is, right? Their gig cover image. Take notice of, because I even success hack these things. I know it may seem like a little small thing, but don't take this for granted because this is your storefront on Fiverr. So you want to take notice of what their gig cover image is. Take notice if they're using packages. A lot of people are using packages nowadays, especially in the graphic categories. You also want to notice what their prices are. And then what I like to do, I'll open a Word doc. And I will simply copy and paste there. You can even copy and paste those questions too if you want. So boom, there you go. And this is what I do for all of these gigs right here. Again, take note of, you can even save these images so that you can copy your own version of them later, just to kind of get an idea of like, ooh, I like their layout here. I like how they set these things up. You can add your own book covers and everything, of course. And this is just success hacking, guys, right? That's all that this is. And if you don't have to copy and paste all of these like I do, but it just helps me be able to see what I'm working with a little bit better and be able to craft my own thing. So after I do all that, I will just come in here and I'll pick out, what are some of these keywords that they're using a lot of, because that's really important. The other way that you can do that too, pick out keywords, and this is probably an even better way initially when you're first starting, is come in here and go, oh, what do you want to offer? Book. Just type in book. And you can see all the different book services that are really popular, right? So this is how you're getting to see like the most popular gigs here. So social book marketing, children's book illustration, book promotion, book cover, right? All book. So these are all the most popular services for book. What if we did marketing? Email marketing, Instagram, social media, Twitter, affiliate, So those are the most popular marketing services according to auto search. And these, again, this isn't the end all be all. but this is giving you a really good idea of what those most popular services are that people want, which is where you want to start, because that's where you're going to make the most money, obviously. Let's type in one more thing. Writing. Article writing is huge on Fiverr. If you guys can write fast and type fast, transcriptions are huge. Article writing is huge. Yeah, resume writing, blog content, all of that stuff. Everyone needs that. So, yeah, audio. Let's type in audio. Yeah, there you go. So again, like, there's all of these things, and that's probably the best way that I recommend to get started with, like, if you're really stuck, if you just don't know what you want to offer, come in here to auto search, just type in some things, and you can start getting ideas of what the best-selling things are that people want. And then, of course, after you have an idea, come in here, do our little success hacking thing where you find the top providers for those gigs, and then you're going to come here to your Word doc, and you're going to be able to break down what you should be putting in your description. So, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, they're using book covers. That's a keyword here. They are describing that their quality is better than having a quantity. They're describing their own personal, like, why you should buy from them, which is always good. You want to include that somewhere in your description, usually, like, why are you the best? Why should I buy from you? Marketing experience, here, design and covers. They're actually not using too many keywords inside of their description here. Fiction cover design. So cover design and design covers and book covers. So you're just picking out these keywords that you'll be able to use in your own gig. And then you can come down here, see what they're using. Cover. So cover, book cover is a term. And then what I like to do after you have read through each of these gigs, then I will simply start crafting my own, and we will do that in the next video. So stay with me.